Ready to unlock the vintage, robotic charm of Microsoft Sim and make him sing your digital tunes. First, let's open up Notepad. Yes, the humble Notepad. This is where we'll craft our vocal masterpiece. Now, carefully type this line: create object sapis boy speak followed by a space and then the text you want Sam to say enclosed in quotation marks. Let's start with a simple hello world. Next, click on File in the menu bar and then select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, name your file something memorable, like hellos. But the crucial part is the VBS extension. This tells Windows that it's a script file also. Make sure to change Save As type to all files so it saves correctly. Find the file on your desktop. It should have a new icon. Now double-click it. And there you have it. Microsoft Sam should now be speaking your text. To get him to sing, you will need to add pauses and adjust capitalization as needed. From meme voiceovers to quirky presentations, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different phrases, add pauses, and even try altering the capitalization for a unique, robotic performance. Now go forth and let Microsoft Sam serenade the internet.